Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn, Sarasota, and Orlando. And shopping day today. Carrie's at work, I'm off, but I'm here at my favorite Asian fast food. It's the Pei Wei, or Pei Wei as it is, Asian Express here at the UTC Mall. So I don't think I've ever done a video on this, so I think you're gonna enjoy it. I really love this place, so stay tuned, hope you enjoy it too. So first off, this is part of the Pei Wei chain that you might be familiar with. There's a lot of these restaurants around. I don't know if there's any of these particularly, but this was an independent place, and then Pei Wei took it over, but I really like it. Everything is always fresh in here, and what's cool is it's kind of, you got your choices, and they've always got different things going on, and it's kind of buffet style in a sense where you can see the food, so I kind of like that. As you can see, it's Christmas season, and it's really busy, but like I was telling you, I like the fact that you can see the food right in front of you, and you can kind of like say, okay, I'll take this, or I want that. So I'll show you how it works, and stay along. So you could either get the 2-item combo or the 3-item combo. So I'm going to do the 2-item combo today, and I'll show you all the different selections that they have. So you start off and you get your choice of like veggies, fried rice, or noodles. Looks really good. So yeah, I'm going to do fried rice. There you go. I'm going to get some veggies in there. And I love this bourbon chicken that they have. But you can see they got Thai coconut. I'll do the bourbon chicken, yeah, with extra gravy if you don't mind. Happy holidays. Look at all these choices. Stir-fried green beans, orange chicken. Matt loved orange chicken. That's like kind of like the General Tso's. This is a new one, hot and honey chicken. That's it, yes, thank you. They got Mongolian steak. Firecracker wings, sesame chicken. Oh, Carrie loves these. When she sees this video, she loves these cream cheese wontons. They got regular egg rolls. All kinds of sauces there. And there's your prices, $10.29 for 2, or you can do 3 for $11.29 in any combination. And it is Coca-Cola products, as much as you want to drink, so that's always good. So there you go. This is what I ended up getting. It's the fried rice, as I showed you, and it's bourbon chicken. If you never tried it, it's got a nice, like kind of like a barbecue taste to it, or bourbon sauce to it. It's really got a nice little tinge to it. And I'm a big fan of broccoli, so I got the broccoli in there. No one could say I wasn't healthy and then get my greens for today and my carrots, right? And of course, I got my breakfast of ex-champions, the Coca-Cola there. And this should power me up as I go on my journey to do some shopping, some Christmas shopping. So with all of these factors in mind, it's just a short video. I would rate Pei Wei Express the best Chinese food, Asian food in all of Sarasota. It's always consistent, it's always good. Really great place to come. And it's right near Macy's end of the mall, so you can't miss it. So next time you're at UTC Mall, give them a try. I know you'll like them. Have a Merry Christmas. Coconut smile.